Let me show you how to use Clarifying Cleanser. First, wet your hands with warm water. Then, pump 1 to 2 pumps of Clarifying Cleanser into your palm. Gently make this into a lather. This activates our magic microfoam technology to release the energizing botanicals. You'll see that unlike harsh soaps, our magic microfoam technology makes thousands of microbubbles. I designed this technology because I wanted the bubbles to be extremely tiny, so they clean deeper into your pores. Now place the lather on your face and allow it to sit for 10 seconds. Take those 10 seconds to just let yourself relax and take a break. When the time is done, rinse away the lather with cold water to close your pores. Then gently pat dry with a towel. Remember, always avoid rubbing your face with harsh acne brushes or scrubbing your face with washcloths. Immediately, you'll notice how clean and refreshed your skin feels with less oil and inflammation. Check out all of our products at anjalimd.com and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post there almost daily.